Welcome to Cooking with Pina. Today I'm going to make Italian cookies, and these are the ingredients. 2 room temperature eggs, half a cup of sugar, a 1/3 cup of olive oil or vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and some lemon zest. Here is my flour, which I like to sift it. So this is 1 cup in here. And to that I'm going to add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it well. And I'm going to put this aside. And I'm going to whip the eggs. And you can put it on high. This is the way you want the egg to look. So you can see, like this. Now I'm going to begin to add the flour, which has the baking powder and the pinch of salt. So I'm going to do it slowly. And of course, you can duplicate this. Instead of using 2 cups of flour, use 4 cups and add everything else to be duplicated. Double batch lasts a little longer, but when my grandchildren come, it goes in 1 day practically. I have 4 grandchildren. Now I'm going to make braid shape cookies. But for my grandchildren, I made all their initials and the numbers, and they were very excited. So now it looks like it's nice, well mixed. Now the next part is to roll them out, make the shapes. And the oven I should put on the oven at 350, and they should bake for between 15 to 17 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to roll them out. And I have the cookie sheet ready with baking paper and the oven to start at 350. And here it is I do. Of course, you can make any shape you wish. As I mentioned before, I made my grandchildren's initials. Actually, I made all the letters from A to Z. And I made numbers as well. So, here. When you're rolling, don't press it too much. Not too heavily. So it's easy. So you just take one side, you turn it, and then bring it over and place it maybe 1.5 inch apart. Now that the cookies have been formed and the oven is on, I just had 1 egg. Actually, you don't need to use the yolk. You can only use the white if you like. And I'm using a small brush since these are kind of narrow. So just very lightly. Some people put also sugar just to make it more festive, but I like them simple. Even without the egg wash, they taste just as delicious. Now my cookies are ready to be baked. Okay, and I'm going to time them for about 16 minutes. Let's see. I'm going to check whether or not they're nice and golden at the bottom. Yeah, it looks great. Okay, now I'm going to put them to cool. Okay. I'm going to taste my cookies and my nice afternoon cup of tea. They never fail. They're delicious. Please try it. I know you will like it. And please, when you do try, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with Pina. Arrivederci, alla prossima volta. Ciao!